Hi there, this is just a short video to show you how you can search public layouts in Oryx. These are other users' layouts that they have made public, meaning, well, that they're searchable and browsable. So if you're looking at the default layout or your own, or I mean any layout at all, just click on More Layouts in the upper right. And by default, the search is going to show you layouts with layout tours. There are quite a few for the Moonlander. And the search box here searches by keywords that the, uh, the layout owners add these keywords to their layouts. So let's say you want to search for layouts tagged with Python. It doesn't find any that have a tour, but if you uncheck this box, you see a lot of layouts that don't have tours. And so you can just, click on one to take a look at it. And this is a pretty good idea, or a pretty good way to get ideas for your own layout. Hope this helps. Thanks.